Hello, welcome to Robinson's World YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to configure a Linksys Wi-Fi extender. If your Wi-Fi extender is a brand new, then unbox it and connect directly to a power socket. And on the right side of the Wi-Fi extender you can see a power on-off switch. And next to that there is a small hole that is for the reset the configuration. If your Wi-Fi extender is a new one, then you don't need to do anything. Otherwise, use a small pin and press and hold it while you connect it to the power socket. So you can see in front of the Linksys extender there is a green light. It will start blinking. Press the pin and hold it for a few seconds so that once it started to blinking, remove the pin. Now the extender is ready for the configuration. If your extender is a brand new, then you don't need to do this step. Okay, after that, normally in your laptop or computer, connect to the Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi settings you can see Linksys extender setup. Select that one and click connect. Okay, now it is connected and is showing no internet open. So you can close this one and you go to your browser. In the address bar you type 192.168.1.1. that is the general IP address. Make sure your IP address is same. If not, check your manual and enter the IP address mentioned in that manual. You will be directed to the Linksys configuration page, that is dual band Wi-Fi range extender Linksys. You can select the language here and click the start button. So it will ask you choose your wireless network. Here in my case it is Kerala Vision, that is our main Wi-Fi. And if you have more than one connection, you have to choose the correct one, which one you want to get extended. Normally we use this extender where the signal strength is very weak. We should have some sort of signal strength, not with zero strength. Here it is mentioning your Wi-Fi signal is very strong, you will get a better strength. Because I am configuring this next to the Wi-Fi router, so that's why it's very strong. This is for a configuration purpose, so you can just click connect anyway. Here you will be asked to enter the password of that your Wi-Fi password. Enter the Wi-Fi password here and click next. If your Wi-Fi is with a 5 GHz network, it will show here. In my case it's only 2.4 GHz. I don't need a second network. Click. You will get extender is configured and username and password. You can print this password and username or just save it. That's all. Now this is configured. Just close this one. Now go to connect to Wi-Fi. You will not see now the Linksys extender setup. Now you will see only your Wi-Fi SSID, which is in my case it is Kerala Vision. So if you connect here, connect. This is how we configure Linksys extender. Hope you like this small tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like button and put your valuable comments below. Also, if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, please subscribe this channel by clicking the subscribe button and also enable the bell button next to it, so that whenever a new video is uploaded, you will be notified immediately. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye.